Y'all remember back in the days, like y'all mama used to just wear eyeliner pencil and she had that red sponge in her purse. Yeah. Yeah, that is just, oh my God. I'm about to cry. That's so funny to me. The way makeup has advanced. Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be getting dolled up and I'm also going to be trying a new ponytail. I have two. It's not a drawstring ponytail, all right? I have it in black and then I have it in black and brown. So we'll see how this goes. So I already kind of primed my face a little bit. I primed up. I didn't prime like my chin area. And I'm using my Poreless Primer. And for foundation today, I'm going to be using my NARS foundation. Now, I started my brows, but now that I'm thinking, I kind of want to finish them. So I'm going to put a little bit of my foundation that I'm using, which is NARS, onto one of my little angled brushes. And then I'm going to apply that on my brows. And I went over my brows like twice. Yeah, like 2 times. So y'all, I'm so excited to try these new ponytails out. I know y'all like, she getting excited about ponytails. Yes, because I be needing something convenient and on the go, y'all. Y'all don't be understanding the life of a mom. You can't be, you got to get with it, all right? You got to be ready to go. So I find these so convenient for me. All I gotta do is just slick my hair back the day before, the night, whatever. Or you can do it early in the morning, it's just up to you. And boom, we good to go. Now today I'm doing a slick back ponytail because I was kind of like, I've done a high ponytail. I don't really like them, like y'all already know that. I don't really like it all the way down here because I can't sleep with that in my head. But because this ponytail is supposed to be able to come out, I'm hoping I can remove it at night. So that's why I haven't putting it down too low because I'm not trying to get a headache. I told y'all it helped me when I do my little mean face to get stuff like how I want it with my brows. Not like mean, but you know, a little mean. Okay, so we're gonna move on over to the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a combination of palettes today. And I bought out Juvia's, James Charles, and a Morphe palette. So I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do because I haven't really tapped into this James Charles palette like I wanted to. So I feel like I should do his palette because he got some bomb colors in here. Okay, so I'm going in first with the James Charles palette and I'm using the color 10% off. This color right here is 10% off. And I'm gonna use me a fluffy brush to just pack that on with. And like I said, I already have concealer on my lids because I was already doing my brows. So the concealer I have is the L'Oreal, and this is in the color 395 Walnut. Yeah, so back to these ponytails, y'all. I was at the store and I was like, I bought like 4 of them actually, but then I returned 2 of them because I didn't like the curls. When I got home, I was like, I don't like this. I didn't like the way the curls felt. I should have just asked them if I could open it when I was at the store, but I was like, I'm gonna like it. But when I got home, I did not like it at all. It looked a bit too cheap to me when I took it out of the package. But the straight one, I really liked because it does not look cheap at all. It's 30 inches, so I'm gonna have a little hang time. And like I said, it's something that you could just quickly throw on. Like you ain't, you know, you gotta put much effort into it. Like somebody that's on the go and you like wearing ponytails, this is good for you. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna go in with is gonna be, I'm gonna go in with that T, and that's gonna be, T is the first color right here at the top. So I'm gonna go in now with that color. Ooh, very much brown. Don't look like it in the package, but it is very brown. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out how I'm feeling about this brown right quick. So that's why I'm kind of silent because there's so much fallout right now. Okay, so I guess I do like the brown. Like I said, it is pretty dark though. So I am going to now use my L'Oreal concealer. I'm gonna go in with this flat brush that I have. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna be using the Disturbed color, which is right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my concealer, and I'm gonna use the 405 Toffee, and this is in L'Oreal. And I'm gonna go ahead and contour a little bit because I'm not doing a lot anyway, so. Okay, y'all, so I have a black ponytail. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. So this is the black ponytail right here. And like I said, it's so cute. And this is the piece that wraps around your hair. So it like kind of like ties everything together, whatever. Like once you're done, it should look like this. Like this should be the wrap around here. And there's Velcro. There's Velcro on this. So this has a net. It has 2 clips. So you clip this into your side and then you clip this to the middle and then you start wrapping it. There's Velcro right here that you would leave the stitch on and you just wrap it around, and that's how it sticks on. This is the other one that I got, and this is the one I think I want to wear because I always do a black ponytail. So I think I wanted to do this one. Okay, so this is how it looks out of the pack. And that's why I say it doesn't look, you know, like cheap looking to me at all. Once I put this on, put a little shine to it, like, and I feel like it matches my hair too. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I'm gonna put on this one. And it has like easy to follow instructions on the back. It shows you like what to do, how to do it. And it's like step 1, pull your hair back into a ponytail or a small bun. Step 2, insert the side comb and wrap the ponytail around. Insert the middle comb and secure with Velcro. And then step 3 is wrap the hair around, which is that curly little piece that I showed y'all. This right here. This is what they're referring to. You wrap this around and that basically finishes off the ponytail to make it look, you know, like you're not seeing none of these tracks and stuff that's on, or Velcro, because it's not tracks, it's Velcro. But yeah, like $12.99. Of course. While I'm baking, I'm gonna just go ahead and do my hair on camera so y'all can see. All right, so I'm first going in with that side one, which is right here. And I'm gonna obviously put it on the side of my head. So make sure it's comfortable too. Okay. Okay, I feel like that's in there good. Now, wrap the ponytail around. All right, so I'm wrapping it. So you wrap the ponytail once, and then that's when you come in contact with your second clip, which is this one right here. So you're gonna put that in the middle. I'm just showing y'all because I can feel it. All right, so that goes in the middle, boom. And then you take off your Velcro. That's what I was like, do you keep the Velcro on or do you take it off? So you take off your Velcro, right? And then now you wrap it, okay? And when y'all wrapping this, make sure y'all put y'all hand under this because y'all know Velcro could stick to your real hair. And yeah, we don't want that. Now, I'm taking this piece that's straight. Y'all can see it. It's a little curly at the end, but it's a little straight piece. And I'm wrapping that around my hair. Y'all, and this feels so nice. Like, it's so lightweight. I think I will use a pen because I do want it to be like secured or whatever. Okay, so I got some bobby pins and I am going to pin this last little piece right here in my hair. I want to make sure it's pinned right, you know. Okay, so I pinned it. Y'all, this is the game changer. Like, say what now? Girl. So what I'm gonna do now is dust off my face. So dust off my powder. Any extra powder, I guess. And I'm gonna go in with my Revolutions. And I'm gonna put some more color into my face, you know, make my face look a little warm. I know a lot of y'all like that light undertones under your eyes. I don't know if I like that yet. I'm still trying to figure it out. Okay, so I was going in with a little bit of that highlight under my brows, and when I say that is so cute, like that is really, really cute. And this is the highlight bling. So blush and highlighter. This e.l.f. tinted lip oil, it's a vibe, okay? Definitely a vibe. Okay, so I'm going in with my gold e.l.f. Before I put on my lashes, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that gold e.l.f. and I'm just gonna put it like literally, I'm gonna use a brush to do this because I don't want to mess it up. I'm just putting it like literally right in the corner of my eyelid. I don't want to do too much with it because I don't really be liking this little glitter stuff because sometimes it just don't be doing what it's supposed to. It be coming off and I don't be wanting it to fall in my eyes. I'm like, so I'm one of those people that's like, not my eyes, anywhere else but not my eyes. And I'm just using this brush because I want to evenly like spread it a little more, only on that little piece right there on my eye. So like that part, you know, just like a soft little hint, just like a soft little hint of it or whatever. But yeah, so we just need to put on our lashes and we good to go. I'm gonna go in with my Remy lashes, and these are by Ardell. I'm using my NYX liquid liner, and I'm just following my natural line or shape of my eye. I'm not doing nothing dramatic because I don't know how to yet. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Remember to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.